Sleep meditation designed for deep healing as you sleep. It's calming, gentle, and ideal for use at night to support mind-body restoration and subconscious healing. Welcome to this deep healing meditation for sleep. Tonight, you are going to allow your body and mind to rest, release, and heal naturally. There is nothing for you to do. Just listen, breathe, and let go. Close your eyes gently. Settle into your bed in a position that feels safe and comforting. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly out of your mouth. Let your body begin to soften. This is your sacred time to rest, to restore, and to return to wholeness. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Begin scanning your body downward with gentle awareness. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders drop and soften. Feel your arms grow heavy. Let go of tension in your chest and stomach. With every breath, let your whole body melt deeper into the bed. Down through your hips, your thighs, relax your knees, calves, ankles, all the way to the soles of your feet. Feel yourself becoming heavier, more grounded. As if the earth is gently cradling you in perfect peace. Now, shift your focus to your breath, breathing in deeply and exhaling fully. With each inhale, you breathe in calm. With each exhale, you release all that no longer serves you. Visualize a soft, healing light entering your body with each breath. It fills you with peace. It travels through your chest, your heart, your stomach, flowing into every organ, every cell. Cleansing you, restoring you, you are now safe to surrender. You are ready to heal. Now imagine a healing light above your head. It is the color of comfort, maybe soft gold, silver, or pale blue. This light slowly begins to descend, gently washing over your entire body. It relaxes your thoughts. It soothes your emotions. It releases the day's stress, fear, and tension. Every breath takes you deeper. This healing light now enters your heart center. feel it gently dissolving emotional pain, grief, or worry. Let it comfort old wounds and remind your heart that you are safe, loved, and whole. Now it travels to your stomach and gut, your emotional center. Feel it healing your digestion, clearing stuck energy, and calming your nervous system. This light now moves into your legs and feet, anchoring your healing deep into the earth. Let this healing energy work on all levels: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Your body knows how to heal, and it is doing so now, effortlessly, as you drift deeper. Now repeat these healing affirmations softly in your mind. No need to say them out loud. Just feel them. I am healing with every breath I take. My body is regenerating as I sleep. My mind is calm. My emotions are balanced. Every cell in my body vibrates with health. I allow deep rest. I welcome healing. Let each word sink into your subconscious. They are becoming your truth. Now, imagine yourself floating in a gentle ocean of peace. Rocked by the rhythm of your breath, surrounded by love, safety, and stillness. Let yourself drift deeper, deeper into healing sleep. If thoughts arise, it's okay. Gently return to the feeling of calm in your body. Let go. You are safe. You are whole. You are deeply loved. Let sleep take over now. Let healing continue. Even as you dream. Good night, and may you wake restored, renewed, and fully alive.